Good morning and welcome to our English class. Today let us see Unit 2 poem, the remaining paragraphs. The title of the poem is Courage. Now let us read the paragraphs. After reading, I will explain to you. Courage isn't a dazzling light that flashes and passes away from sight. It's a slow, unwavering, ingrained trait with the patience to work and the strength to wait. It's part of a man when his skies are blue. It's part of him when he has work to do. The brave man never is afraid of it. He has it when there is no need of it. Courage was never designed for show. It isn't a thing that can come and go. It's written in victory and defeat, and every trial a man may meet. It's part of his hours, his days, and his years, back of his smiles and behind his tears. Courage is more than a daring deed. It's the breath of life and a strong man's greed. Now let us see the explanation to these lines. Courage isn't a dazzling light. So dear children, courage isn't a dazzling light. You cannot give up. You no need to give up your courage. So it's a dazzling light. Dazzling means flashing of lightning. When the bright light comes, it is a dazzling light, flashing of lightning that flashes and passes away from sight, that dashes and flashes and passes away from sight. So the light, the bright dazzling light flashes, just for a moment it flashes in brightness and passes away from our sight. It doesn't remain. It's a slow, unwavering, ingrained trait. It's slow, like a tortoise, no? It's very slow, unwavering. Unwavering means marked by firm determination. Ingrained means firmly established and hard to change. Trait. With the patience to work and the strength to wait. With the patience to work and the strength to wait. See, when you want to achieve something, you have to work with patience. Everything I want just a moment, the work has to be done. You cannot do without the patience. So you need to have patience to work and the strength to wait the end to see. The result is to see. You need to have patience and the strength to wait it. It's part of a man when his skies are blue. See, it's a part of a man. As a human being, we need to have patience and strength to wait. In order to see a good result, we need to wait. It's a part of him when he has work to do. It's a part of him when he has work to do. If I have to do some work, it is a part of my life. Without work, we cannot do anything else. The brave man never is afraid of it. See, when we are courageous, we are brave person. When we are brave, only we have the courage to do the things. He has it when there is no need of it. See, he has the courage. He is brave enough. So the courage is within himself. Courage was never designed for show. So, as we know that he has it when there is no need of it. When the courage is there, we no need to anything else. Courage was never designed for show. Designed means performed with a purpose. So courage was never designed for show. In order to show I have courage, it is not designed for it. It isn't a thing that can come and go, and the courage doesn't remain. It comes and goes. No, when according to the situation, it comes and goes, and it is not designed for show, but it isn't a thing that can come and go. It's written in victory and defeat. See, the courage isn't a thing to come and go. It is within ourselves. When we are bold enough, we can do the things. It's written in victory and defeat. Victory, a successful ending of a struggle or contest. See, when you run a race, you have won it, it is a victory. And defeat, if you lost it, it is a defeat. Win a victory over. So, it's written in victory and defeat, and every trial a man may meet. See, in our life, we may meet the trials, struggles we may meet in order to win the race or succeed in life or to reach the goal. We will have the trials. It's part of ours. It is part of our life to meet the victory or the defeat. His days and his years. As the days goes on or as the years goes on, it is the part of our life. It is in our life. Back of his smiles, when we won it, when we have got the victory, we will have the smile on our face, and behind his tears. See, if you have struggled a lot and you have succeeded in life, you will have smiles. When you were struggling, you will have the tears in your eyes. Courage is more than a daring deed. Courage is a very daring deed. Daring means to risk, take a risk in life. See, you cannot climb a high mountain, but if you have courage, you can do it, climb it. It's the breath of life and a strong man's greed. So, courage is more than a daring deed. It is a very daring deed. Everyone will not have this daring deed. It's the breath of life. Courage is the breath of life that is within ourselves. And a strong man's greed. It's a very strong man's greed. Courage is a very strong man's greed. So, each breath we take, the courage is within ourselves. And it is a strong man's greed. Greed means a system of principles or beliefs. By Edgar Albert Guest. So this poem is Edgar Albert Guest. So dear children, read this poem and understand it.